Hello, Math 115. Um, so this is statistics for Lenore-Rhine University and spring 2016. So I just wanted to give you a video of what you should be looking at the beginning. So we have an announcement and a discussion going on. Announcement is this is where I'm going to keep some video links that we will use during the semester. And currently we have one discussion going on. It's just an introduction. So here's what I would like you to respond to. And then myself and then several of the classmates have already started this. But just a quick 5 questions. The syllabus is inside, gives you some of my information, the course description, the textbook or the access card. And so this is a course ID that you will need to enter the MyStatLab. Gives the grading down here. So we have a final exam that will be seated. The times yet to be determined. I may do a survey with y'all to determine what's going to be the most optimal time, and then I'll work with the other students. We'll have probably 11 chapter exams. So we'll have 11 tests, online tests during the semester using MyStatLab. Some discussion board postings, an opportunity for y'all to talk to each other. We will have a project, we will have our online homework, and there'll be some labs that we can work individually or in a group that will be turned in. So please read over the syllabus. I wanted to take you to MyStatLab and show you how to get into it. So I'm going to open up a new page. MyStatLab is where I'm going to take you. And you would be registering now, so you're a student. It'll take you through a process. You will need to have your email address, the course ID, which is that right there. And then your access code that you purchased either at the bookstore or you could purchase one online. That is fine. But email, course ID, and your access code or purchase one here. I'm going to go ahead and sign in and give you an idea of how MyStatLab works. So I have classes that I teach at Catawba Valley Community College and at Lenore-Rhine. But our course, it gives us some things that are coming up, what homework is due, and I already have the chapter 1 assessments due on these will all be the 19th. And then quizzes and tests, we have a test set up for chapter 1 test that's due on the 19th. So looking at our syllabus, there is a outline of when things are due. So we'll see that chapter homework and test due dates. So chapter 1 is January 19th, chapter 2 is January 25th. These give some important dates for us to remember and just when things are due. These are optional things for practice if you want to, but this is the chapter test that you have to take, and these are the homeworks that you have to do. To find your book under chapter contents, here is chapter 1. If you have a hard copy of the book, that's fine. If you don't, again, this is fine. I'm just going to go to chapter opener. The online book and the hard copy are exactly the same. Got to make sure you have a good internet connection. But you have access to the book. And this is where you can do your readings. You can even print pages out one at a time if you like. I think you can do up to 10 pages at a time. But chapter 1 is more of a reading chapter. The first couple chapters are, and we will get more into the calculations as we progress through the course. So the book is available to you. Another thing that I wanted to show you that we will be using often is StatCrunch. And I'll just do sets from the textbook. But it kind of Excel based. I think I just opened up some data, which is fine. But the data's in there, and we're going to tell StatCrunch to do some things for us. Whether it's just giving us some basic information of a column, where we could do mean, median, mode, standard deviation. We can find out a whole bunch of things about our data. But we're not going to be doing a lot of calculations by hand. We're going to be using technology to help us out. So this is a tool that we will be using that is provided with the MyStatLab access. So if you want to go ahead and get started, I have one student currently enrolled for the LR course, so hopefully more will be on the way. But I will make videos as time goes on, and we will discuss the different topics and go through a lot during this semester. So I look forward to meeting you, emailing with y'all, talking with y'all during the semester. And I hope you have a great day.